Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 17 and 18 of class 8 subject English 2, direct and indirect speech and punctuation. So, you all know the actual word of the speaker is called direct speech, okay, and second sentence gives a report by someone other than the speaker of what Rima said. What did Rima says? Rima said that she was very busy there. This is called indirect or reported speech. Okay. Now we are going to start with the exercise 1. Change into indirect speech. So children, I will directly show you the answers and the exercises of this chapter. All the exercises of this chapter, all the 5 you are going to complete in your notebook. So this also do in copy and do in copy. Then the fourth one, do in copy, and the fifth one, do in copy. The answers I'll be showing you for all these exercises. Okay, so the first one is direct indirect. The answers for the exercise 1 are here. Then for 2, 3, for 2, 3 and 4, again you are having here till 5. Okay, you can see here children, till here you have the answers. Okay, so these are the answers for the exercise 1, 2 and 3. In first you are going to change into indirect speech, again in the indirect, then again indirect speech, then again in the indirect speech, and the last one you are going to report the following in the indirect speech. Now with the next chapter, that is the punctuation. Okay, these are the punctuation marks: full stop or period, comma, semicolon, colon, question mark, exclamatory mark. Okay, now here we are going to start with again the exercise 1. Okay, now the answers for this I'll be showing you. Okay, then you are going, or as I will just do for you. Even a fool, comma, when he holdeth his peace, comma, he is counted wise, full stop. I therefore walked back by the horse way, full stop, which was 5 miles round. Read not to contradict, not to believe, but to waive and consider. Comma, after contradict, after believe. Okay, next, when we have denied, comma, to prevent the ladies leaving us, comma, I generally ordered the table to be removed. Rabindranath Tagore, comma, the author of Gitanjali, comma, was the first Asian to win the Nobel Peace Prize. Second one, punctuate the following. They had played together in the fancy, semicolon. So children, you are going to complete this exercise. The answers I am showing you, by seeing the video you are going to complete exercise 2 in your textbook only. Okay, so the answer for exercise 2 are here. You can see what punctuation marks you are going to put. Okay, and third exercise also here. Okay, so you are going to complete this in your textbook, and this you are going to rewrite here. Okay, so rewrite here. So complete your work in textbook and notebook both. Thank you.